Cranberries are an extremely popular fruit this time of year, mainly used in the form of cranberry sauce at Thanksgiving. It's no wonder considering Massachusetts is the second largest producer of this crop. In terms of nutrition, each cup of cranberries provides 4 grams fiber and 20% the daily value for vitamin C, plus numerous antioxidant acting compounds. Fresh aren't the only form of cranberries to enjoy for protective nutritional benefits. The Cranberry Institute cites 8 ounces of 25% cranberry juice cocktail, 1.5 cups fresh or frozen cranberries, 1 ounce sweetened dried cranberries, and ½ cup cranberry sauce contain the same level of antioxidant acting compounds. So think outside the box this Thanksgiving and enjoy all forms of cranberries at your holiday gatherings and beyond. To find delicious cranberry recipes, visit bigY.com. Until next time, be well.